Yo. Yo. It's your boy Bad C. Peace to Galak on the beat. Sci-fi on the button. Yo, check this shit out. Dear God, can you hear me? I don't know what to do. My kneecaps stay bruised cause I'm praying to you. I look around, I see this world going straight to hell. It's like we all in jail and can't get no bail. Bombs exploding, families being slaughtered. I need some new shoes, man, these cats need water. We all just trying to breathe, I'm just trying to survive and keep a little cheese. Achieve the inner peace I desperately need. All this pain that I feel is the strength that I need to proceed. I take a look at my fucked up life. Who knows who's wrong, who knows who's right? It's all relative to these grimy ass streets. So I'ma keep your heads banging to these grimy ass beats till the death of me. They'll never get the best of me. I never stop, God, I'm building out eternally. It's Bad C, baby, till the day that I die. It's Bad C, baby, I keep my head up high. Until the day that I die, I'ma keep my head up high. It's a long road out of hell. I won't stop fighting God till I hear that final bell. I shall prevail against all odds. The life is hard, I'm on my knees, but I'm still reaching for the stars. I spit on this mic trying to heal my scars. I can't turn back now, dog, I come too far. I put my life on the 16 bars. I'm trying to stay blowed as fuck off that shit you gotta keep in a jar. Back the fuck up, dog. I'm coming through. Anyone who knows me knows my words be the truth. I don't lie to nobody except maybe myself. Cause falsifying shit could be bad for your health and bad for your wealth, cause motherfuckers ain't buying it. Any haters on the block, just try it. I don't like the script, I rewrite it. It's okay, go ahead, you can buy it. It's Bad C, baby, till the day that I die. It's Bad C, baby, I keep my head up high. Until the day that I die, I'ma keep my head up high. I do it for the love of hip-hop, it won't stop. I smoke the green crop till my eyelids drop. My verse is so cold, it snows when I flow. Goddamn, I gave myself a runny nose. My prose is so motherfucking indignant. If I had $1 million, dog, I'd probably spend it on bitches and trees, cars and freeze, Grey Goose, Tanqueray, OE and Hennessy. Just kidding. Ha. But on the real though, I'm creeping real slow, I'm blowing real dro. I roll a blunt, take a hit and I'm gone. I give your haters all the blues like I'm Stevie Ray Vaughan. I keep it real on every verse that I'm on. I blow it up like bombs in Lebanon. The race is over, so pass the baton. It's gonna be a bumpy ass ride, so hold on. It's Bad C, baby, till the day that I die. It's Bad C, baby, I keep my head up high. Until the day that I die, I'ma keep my head up high. It's Bad C, baby, till the day that I die. It's Bad C, baby, I keep my head up high. Until the day that I die, I'ma keep my head up high.